Hey y'all, Ashley K here, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in lifestyle and advice videos, but most importantly, I show you guys how to live your best budget-friendly life. So if that's something you're interested in, if that's something you're into, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, it's free. Make sure you like this video up if you love money. If you like money even a little bit, make sure you like this video, okay? If you like your mama, go ahead and like this video. So in today's video, actually, we are going to be diving into a well hyped up app. I actually have talked about this app on my channel previously before in a previous video. So I wanted to go ahead and do a weekly updates video on the app Zynn. Okay, you guys, we're actually going to be going in and looking into Zynn and figuring out what's going on with Zynn. Now, if you are not aware of the app Zynn, or if you haven't heard of Zynn before and this is like foreign language to you, be sure to check out my $800 for free video. It will be linked somewhere up in the cards above. Go ahead and check that out. So if you guys aren't familiar with Zynn at all, you definitely want to go ahead and get familiar, so be sure to check that video out. But for in plain terms, basically Zynn is an app that promises to pay us for watching TikTok video. Now, I was seeing in my last video, the $800 for free video, a lot of y'all were in the comments talking about you made this amount of money, I made this amount of money, I made this amount of money, I paid for my house, I paid for my car with Zynn, and and money was flying in the air. Okay, the way y'all was telling me money was flying all around and y'all was catching it. So I'm so proud of y'all. If y'all definitely got some money from Zynn, kudos to you, you know, getting your coin. Okay, that's what's up. But if you are late to the game like me, then you definitely did not make any money on Zynn, and you definitely wanted to find out how to make money. So that's what this video is going to be about. I actually tested out Zynn for a whole entire week. Okay, the new 2020 update came out. I think it came out early this year when they did the update to the app. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and check out what the updates were, and definitely I wanted to share those with you guys. Be sure to stay tuned to the end, so I will show you guys exactly how much money I made, if I did make any money, okay, you guys. And yes, just be sure to check that out as well too. So we're definitely going to be looking at the new 2020 update of Zynn. So since a lot of y'all were making tons and tons of money on Zynn, the Zynn creators definitely had catched on, and they definitely made a bunch of different changes to the app. So we're gonna go through every one of those changes and figure out what's different and what's hot about this app, what's not, if it's even worth your time, if it's even worth you even checking out. We're definitely going to be looking at that, everything on this app right now. So we're gonna start the screen recording as of now. So let me just go ahead and start to screen record. Okay, we are screen recording. Okay, so we are in this app Zynn. Okay, and as you guys can see, it looks a lot different than it did before. I don't know if I can actually show you guys how it looks before, but basically it was just like how TikTok is. I don't know if you guys are aware with TikTok, but once you open up the app TikTok, videos start to play and it's on a reel. So that's one thing that Zynn was very similar to TikTok about, is because the videos were on a reel. So they're not on a reel anymore. They're kind of like in this kind of staggered box kind of form, so which is interesting. So but basically, you guys, I've been watching these videos, and apparently the first thing that we're going to talk about is actually the money. So instead of before, how it used to be played out is you used to get, let me turn this guy off, you used to get to be able to cash out. Okay, you guys, so that's one of the biggest thing they did change, is the cashing out. Okay, you guys, so they changed their whole complete money system into something called Zynn Cheers. So that's what they're using now, and basically it's a benefit point based system. So what it is that you're supposed to accumulate a certain amount of points after watching these videos, and then you can use those points to kind of get things from the app itself, kind of like how Sweat Coin is. If you haven't heard of Sweat Coin, it basically does the same thing. They're basically the same thing. You just kind of have to be walking, you accumulate points, and then when you accumulate points, you have to use those points on the app. You cannot cash out. Okay, so that's one thing they definitely took out from Zynn, is they took out the cash out option. One thing I did notice when I was actually watching these videos for the past week is that I was not accumulating nothing, you guys. And I was sitting there at one time, I had the phone running for a whole, I think, about 4 hours on this app, and literally I did not accumulate anything into my bank. I don't know if I was supposed to click a certain button or anything, but I looked all up and down through this app, you guys, and I did not find anything that you were supposed to turn on or turn off to be able to accumulate more points. Basically, how it was before is that the videos would run and you would start to accumulate points, like almost automatic. You didn't have to set anything up. With the video running, it basically, you're not accumulating anything. Before, it was super automatic how you would accumulate your points and how you would get your money and things like that. And now it's pretty much like it's been running for a few hours and there's nothing coming on the account. So that has been a really big issue, and I actually was going online to kind of see if anybody had a forum that fixed it or anything like that, and I was finding a lot of complaints about the whole Zynn Cheers point system. Some people were having the same issue as I was, not accumulating any points, not accumulating any money. People accounts weren't even working, were crashing every time they would watch a certain amount of videos. So I was finding a lot of complaints online about that. So this is my account, you guys, after the amount of the days I've been watching for a whole week. Okay, you guys can see there's nothing. Everything is at 0, basically starting from nothing. So basically, when you actually go to your balance, you guys, it actually shows you that the app is completely suspended. So like you can't even go ahead and watch the video. Even if you are watching the TikTok videos or anything like that, you're not accumulating anything because the app is basically suspended. So I don't know if it's suspended from like head office or whoever, or through Apple, whatever, because it still allows you to download the app through the App Store. It still allows you to sign up with your email and your information. It still allows you to put that stuff in. But when it comes to when you're going to your balance, it actually shows that it has been suspended. So I don't know what that means or whatever, if it's gonna come back. But as of the 2020 new update, which I just seen just now, it's basically saying that the app is completely suspended, so you can't even use it. So it's not even worth your time to download the app or anything like that, or try to even get money for the 2020 update, because literally it's completely suspended. And had I known that before, I wouldn't have even spent that whole week. So that's a disappointment, you guys. That's very unfortunate. I had high hopes. I thought I was gonna make some money like some of y'all, but it looks like Zynn is pretty much dead. That's it. We can go ahead and pack her up because she is out the door. Okay, you guys. So I definitely want to come on here and just do a little quick video and actually show you guys how the app is working. It still is working. You can still watch TikTok videos on there. You just won't be getting paid for it. Okay, you guys. So just a little tea, a little feeling on what's going on with that app. And if I hear anything else, I definitely will be posting the updates in the comments below. I'm definitely going to keep monitoring this app and seeing if it comes back. If it does make a miraculous comeback, that would be interesting to see. If there's any updates, I will be sure to update you on this video for sure. You guys will be the first to know. And yes, you guys, be sure to be subscribed to the channel if you are not. This was a really quick rundown video. Okay, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.